You can customize your Norby with our landing page editor. Simply navigate to the link in bio. In the middle of the page, you can see our page preview area. This is where you can visually edit your landing page as you go. You can view it via mobile or in desktop format. On the left is our block editor. This is where you can see a list of all of the elements that are on the page. We call these elements blocks, and you can move them around to order them however you'd like. You can also add new blocks, such as rich text, events, or even embed videos. To delete a block, just hover over the trash can and click it. You can further edit a block by clicking on it. For instance, let's update the header block. On the right-hand side, you'll now see two tabs, Settings and Appearance. For the setting, you can add a URL, or for the appearance, you can change the look of the avatar, logo only, or shape. You can change the height, or make a cool shape. If you want to change more than just a single block, you can change the overall style of the page by clicking on the home icon. This will let you change the appearance by selecting a theme or by individually editing the background, the font. We'll go ahead and change this to this font, or you can change the color of text. As you can see, there's many elements that you can change. Just click the drop down button for a particular section and voila. When you're done editing each section, go up to the top right hand corner and click Save. You can also share the link to your landing page by copying here or embedding. And lastly, you can take a look at the analytics to review the overall performance of your page. We hope you have a great time bringing your brand to life with the landing page editor.